I got a clog shower and I got a brand new toy, a General Pipe Cleaners DRZ-PH drain cleaner. What I'm super excited about is the variable speed power feed. It's super quiet and compact. Let's go check it out. And here it is, compact. This is the power feed right here. You got a lever, reversed, forward. All you gotta do is twist this knob. It's gonna hold on to the cable. You're gonna be able to feed it and bring it back. It goes as fast as 16 feet per minute, so that's pretty fast. And it's super compact too. I heard a lot about is that it's super quiet. We're gonna put it to the test in just a few minutes, and I'm gonna show you how quiet this machine is. I got the power feed right here. All I have to do, just grab this. I'm gonna put it here on the shower drain. I'm gonna go ahead and do forward. And this is gonna feed by itself because I have it forward right here. The only noise that's coming out of it, it's that cable hitting that pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the water just to make sure the water's flowing. All right, so we're all done. I got the drain all cleaned up. Super quiet. I like the air switch as well. This makes it a lot easier. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be putting out some more videos on it as we go along. Thanks for watching.